What's up, everybody? Welcome to the iSHARE series of investing with me. I had a couple of people ask me where should they start when it comes to a broker account. So I'm just gonna give y'all some of the things that I did. This is for educational purposes only. I am not a full licensed financial advisor yet. So let's get into it. There's really no such thing as a best broker or whatever stock should you start with first. It's really up to you. Everything is your choice. Whatever your budget, your pockets can handle on a serious note. So really only you can access that. What is a broker account? It's a platform where you can buy index funds, all type of investments, the ETFs, index funds, mutual funds, stocks, all the above. It also have like a little area where you can plan, you can see your liabilities and assets. It actually separates it so you can see it, so you can understand it. Good brokers, they're easy to read. They're low or no fees whatsoever. And they have options where you can set up automatic transfers so you don't have to worry about it. Anything that we've talked about on the YouTube channel is definitely on these broker accounts on the apps. So a couple of broker accounts that I would suggest, you don't gotta listen to me. Me personally, I opened up a broker account with Fidelity. I like Fidelity. I like how it operates. It breaks down everything. It's super easy to use. Then another good one is Schwab. Schwab is a very good one. And then you have Robinhood. All of them is beginner friendly, easy to use, super easy. I use Robinhood actually before I use Fidelity so I can just get the gist of everything. So this right here is where everybody want to know, where should I start? I started invested in VTI and VOO. Those two by itself diversifies your portfolio from the beginning, and it's a strong foundation. So majority of your portfolio should be VTI and VOO, so it could diversify your portfolio. Then after that, I did get QQM. If y'all continue to follow along, this right here would be more serious, and I'll just add to this. After you get a strong foundation and stuff like that, then you want to buy other strong companies like Apple or Microsoft or NVIDIA, and you want to continue you want to stay consistent. You do not want to pull this money out. Remember, staying in the market for a long period of time, the compound interest, it works. So if y'all following me on my journey, becoming a financial advisor and everything else, these videos will continue to come. Please give me feedback, follow, share. Thank y'all. Thank you for everybody that support.
If this helped you, subscribe to iShare. This channel is about discipline, financial literacy, and building legacy. No shortcuts.